Alright, YouTubers, I wanted to show you my pretty much final revamp of this vacuum sealer from a previous video that I had done. Just took an old food saver that wasn't working anymore and repurposed it to become a bottle sealer. There is my, and I showed this in the video, the suction cup on here, sealing up a plastic cranberry juice bottle. But real quick, I'm going to just pop this thing open, show you what it looks like inside. So there is the transformer, the electronics. I did disconnect the heat sealer diaphragm, and I taped up those wires, so no longer will that be used unless I want to at a later date and I can mess around with it. But I used a hot glue gun to mount everything in here. So just a $8-10 hot glue gun, which is coming really handy for all these fun little goofball projects that I do. I glued the pump and motor to the side of this thing, glued the digital electronics down at the bottom, transformer there, cut a hole, and here's our switch right there, and button here to run it. Okay, and notched out the top, ran the cord through it and the hose, popped the lid on here, and you're protected from electric shock. And I would say that anybody that tries to mess around with anything that has an electric cord on it and plugs into the wall, you are at risk of shocking yourself if you're not careful. And I do know a little bit about what I'm doing. I'm not a total rookie when it comes to electricity, so I kind of understand some of this stuff. But it can be dangerous. And I did notch a hole out of the top here and left open space here because the pump is going to need to evacuate air as it sucks out the air from whatever you're pumping air out of. So anyway, it does have to kind of breathe, I guess you'd say. Quick update on my wine bottle sealer. I did get the hose in there, and you probably can't see down inside there, maybe you can. I filled that bottom with hot glue and kind of pushed the hose in just a little bit, so it is sealed very well. The one thing I have to do now is I have to figure out how to do like a quick disconnect for different ends on this hose, and I'll figure something out there. But I do, real quick, I want to just demonstrate, show you a bottle. This is a Tennessee, Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey whiskey bottle. It has a plastic cap on it, and I took this thumbtack, heated it up, poked it right through the center of this thing, and I boiled out the bottle. It's nice and clean. So I'm just going to demonstrate for you vacuuming, so I can creating a vacuum in this bottle. You see that suction cup pretty much stays on top of the bottle. I'm just holding the button right now over here with my hand. Okay, so listen to this. It creates quite a vacuum in that bottle, and so I think I could use that bottle for food storage, rice or whatever. I'll just kind of hold on to it and reuse it for later. Want to appreciate Cat's Cradle, recent subscriber to my YouTube channel. I don't have very many subscribers, and I don't know how to get a lot of subscribers, so I don't know if it's really that big a deal, but it's kind of cool when I see somebody subscribes to my YouTube channel. So thanks for subscribing. And I'll throw some videos out there later on once I figure out how to put a little coupler on this, and we'll see if this doodad works. We'll check it out. All right.